Whether you're a casual content creator, a drone pilot chasing epic shots, or just need a memory card that won't flake during crunch time, today's roundup of the best microSD cards in 2025 has got your back. From blazing speeds to rugged reliability, we're breaking down which cards are worth your cash and which ones are just fluff. Hey, let's get into it. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra microSDXC UHS one card delivers dependable performance for everyday tasks. With read speeds up to 150 megabytes per second and support for full HD video recording, it's perfect for expanding mobile storage, capturing clear footage, and launching apps smoothly thanks to its A1 rating. Built to resist water, shocks, temperature swings, and X-rays, it's a durable choice for mobile users who value reliability over frills. Want great performance without breaking the bank? Tap the link in the description for today's best deal. Level up your workflow with the Kingston 256GB Canvas Go Plus microSDXC, built for creators, photographers, and drone enthusiasts. Blazing fast, read speeds up to 170 megabytes per second, and U3/V30 support make it ideal for 4K UHD video capture and burst mode photography. The A2 rating ensures snappy app performance, and its rugged design handles harsh environments with ease. If you're all about speed and versatility, check out the product link in the description for the latest prices. The Amazon Basics 128GB microSDXC offers solid functionality at a budget-friendly price. It supports U3 and A2 standards, ensuring smooth video recording and decent app performance for day-to-day use. With read speeds up to 100 megabytes per second, it's best suited for general storage, mobile backups, and dash cams. Need storage without the premium price tag? Click the link in the description to see why this card punches above its weight. Packing serious power, the Samsung PRO Plus 512GB microSDXC is a beast for action cameras, drones, and high-res workflows. With read speeds up to 180 megabytes per second and write speeds around 130 megabytes per second, this card handles 4K UHD video and large file transfers with ease. Its rugged build resists water, shocks, and extreme temperatures, making it a go-to for creators who work in the field. Ready to upgrade your gear? Hit the description link for top prices and availability. Optimized for professionals, the SanDisk 128GB Extreme PRO SDXC UHSI card delivers fast read speeds up to 170 megabytes per second, robust write performance, and support for 4K UHD recording via its V30/U3 rating. It's a go-to for DSLR and mirrorless camera users who demand reliable and fast media handling. Built to endure, it adds peace of mind to high-stakes shoots. If you're serious about your craft, explore the link in the description for exclusive deals and specs. So there you have it, 5 standout microSD cards, each built with a different user in mind. Whether it's affordable storage, high-end video support, or raw speed, there's something here for every workflow. Found your perfect fit? Hit the description for product links and the best prices available right now. And if you're thinking, I need more tech wrecks like this, don't forget to like, share, and sub. I've got plenty more gear deep dives coming your way.